Hello everyone, welcome to Sthitpragya Life. My name is Sandeep Srivastav and I am a lifetime student of mental wellness and human consciousness. Precisely, a mental wellness consultant. I would like to introduce Sthitpragya Life to you all today, which is a mental wellness academy. How different are we? We conduct mental wellness sessions based out of Vedanta and nothing else. Our sessions are exclusively made from the nectar of Vedas and Upanishads. With immense research and development, we then form relativity of Vedic texts, literature, Upanishads with our everyday life. And that includes both your personal and professional life. And finally, this relativity that is formed after immense research then reaches to you through our individual or group sessions. Among these, one of our most popular sessions is Srimad Bhagavad Gita sessions. Absolutely engaging, impactful, and transformational. So let's see the program highlights. What is Bhagavad Gita? It is one of the most beautiful conversations that ever took place between a mentor whose name is Krishna and a mentee whose name is Arjuna. This particular mentoring session is one of a kind that includes anything and everything about our personal and professional lives. If there is anything particular situation or emotion that is not covered in between them, then no such situation or emotion exists in our life. It is that profound yet very secretive. So why only Sthitpragya Life? Why not some other academy or why not someone else? Reading the shloka and understanding the meaning of the shloka is a common practice to read Bhagavad Gita. And we don't believe in this practice. Yes, you heard it right, we don't. So what do we do? How different are we? We decode every shloka in terms of the characters that are involved, their characteristics. Then we study their behavior and consciousness. And then we come to know about their qualities. We explore their strengths. We understand their weaknesses. Then we also come to know their ability to perform respective actions. The consciousness they carried all their life is what we study. And finally, the most important aspect is the relativity they left for us to further evolve as a better individual. What do you gain out of this? What's in it for you? Something very important. By knowing and understanding every conscious moment of every character that is involved and their respective actions, which again relates with our definitive thought process, consciousness, and actions. This intense study will help us further to evolve as a finest creation of the divine, who is none other than, you're right, Krishna himself. So what are you waiting for? You can contact us right away, pick up the phone, give me a call. My name is Sandeep Srivastav. I'm the founder and the director of Sthitpragya Life Academy. My contact number is right in front of you, which is 9030731306. You can also mail me any of your questions, any of your suggestions, any of your queries to sthitpragya.sandeep@gmail.com. Thanks so much for being with me. I wish you a great career, good life ahead. Goodbye.